Do you work hard day and night, but even after that find that your bank account is empty? Do you want to earn money even when you are sleeping or doing some tiny pieces or work? Yes, there's a method to earn money even while you are asleep, and that is called passive income. The millionaires have created certain passive income streams that helps them earn money without any effort. In today's video, we will be revealing the 14 passive income streams that will make you a millionaire in 2023. Now let's start. 1. Submit an ebook for publication. To share your knowledge with the world and make some extra cash on the side, consider writing and releasing an ebook on a topic in which you excel. Social media marketing, starting your own company, and learning to code are all in demand because their audiences are interested in learning more about these topics. So it's no surprise that this is often rated as a top passive income strategy. 2. Invest in stocks that pay dividends. Although stock market investing may seem scary at the beginning, however, it's an amazing way to amass money over time if you put in the time and effort, and that too very little. One error many individuals make when planning their finances is to prioritize short-term benefits above those that would help them in the long run. In particular, dividend stocks are excellent in creating passive income since they pay out on a regular basis without the need to sell the stocks themselves. It's up there among the best strategies for bringing in a passive income. 3. Make a mobile app. A mobile app or piece of software that solves a widespread issue has the potential to attract a large user base in today's digital economy, making its creator a wealthy person. Because of the high barrier to entry posed by the necessary expertise and resources, app development is a niche industry. Now, anybody, including those without programming skills, may create mobile apps, no matter how basic or complex they may be. Successfully capitalizing on the tremendous potential of the mobile app industry requires a strategic plan and a well-executed app. If you want to know more earning tricks, then do subscribe our channel and also press the like button. 4. Put your money to work in P2P lending platforms. Individuals who may not qualify for conventional loans might still get money if they look into P2P loans. Because of this, it is up to you as the lender to choose your borrowers and spread your money around to reduce your overall exposure to risk. 5. Make the most use of your property. In order to reap the benefits of passive income, many people look to real estate as an investment or a place to rent out in order to make a regular monthly profit. Investing in property is a possible course of action if you have some spare cash. Real estate investment, in a variety of forms, may be a successful passive income concept, given sufficient capital. So it's no surprise that this is often rated as a top passive income strategy. You may invest as little as $500 in a variety of real estate assets via a real estate investment trust (REIT) platform, and then collect passive income as the value of those assets rises. They make it possible for a group of smaller investors to make large-scale real estate investments that would be beyond of reach for any one of them alone. 6. Get paid to sing jingles or play recorded music. Composing jingles or tunes that may be licensed via well-known agencies can be a great source of passive income for musicians who are also practicing or working professionally in their chosen field. 7. Online sales of professional photographs. You may make money while you sleep by selling your photos online via a website. Whether your interest is in landscapes or portraits, developing your ability and finding your specialty will allow you to market your work with confidence. 8. Sell your products available on Amazon.com. Selling your own t-shirt designs on Amazon or other online marketplaces is a great method to get a passive income with little startup cost. By doing so, you may take use of the e-commerce behemoth's systems and offerings. That's a great way to earn money in the background. 9. Ads on YouTube can help you make money. Having more than 1,000 subscribers is cause for celebration, as it enables you to take advantage of YouTube's built-in revenue using advertising provided by Google. With an incredible 2.6 billion unique viewers every month, YouTube presents a significant chance to build an engaged following and monetize your content passively. The potential for profiting with a great YouTube channel is enormous if you have a long-term mentality and are ready to commit initial work. Even though I started this YouTube channel just 3 months ago, but now I am easily earning around $500 monthly. 10. Compile an audiobook. Because they are convenient and provide the same level of information as a book, audiobooks are quickly becoming a popular alternative to reading. Globally, the audiobook market is booming because many people, for a variety of reasons, including education, prefer listening to books than reading them. 11. Rent a vehicle. Renting out your vehicle is a practical option for making some additional cash and maintaining its use. Keep in mind, however, that it's not quite as easy as it seems. The difficulty in entrusting your favorite automobile to someone else may stem from the emotional investment you have in it. 12. Build a virtual classroom. If you have technical knowledge but aren't sure how to put it to use financially, an online course can be the answer. Creating informative videos that can be sold on platforms like Udemy is a fantastic way to make passive revenue from your content. As long as you have extensive expertise in a certain field, you may develop courses in it, whether it be computer programming, a foreign language, or an artistic medium. 13. Create a blog. Starting a blog is an excellent way to lay the groundwork for a passive income stream. You can make a lot of money with them, but it takes time. Earning a respectable sum of money from it requires time, effort, and dedication. That's a great way to earn money in the background. While it's true that starting a blog might be difficult, it's also become a common way to make passive money online. However, if you put in the time and effort to produce high-quality material and promote your blog on several channels, you may amass a sizable readership and lucrative revenue stream. 14. Rent a storage space. Don't rush to sell your unused storage units until you try renting them out first. As a result of this growth, the storage market might be worth as much as $64 billion by 2026. So, it's a way to make money that will endure for a while and has good potential. Offering a much-needed service to the community while also making a profit is the goal of those who rent out storage facilities. That's all for today. If you want to get rich, then do subscribe our channel and also create as many passive income as you can. You have got all the passive income ideas from this video, so do press the like button. Sir Warren Buffett has also created several passive income. Share this video with all of your friends. Comment below if you are having any queries or suggestions. Thank you for watching till here.